Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a HP EliteBook 840 G5 laptop. Now, as I've already done this, tools wise you're going to need a Torx screwdriver, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll need either a flat-headed screwdriver or a plastic pick to release the case. Now I suggest you go with the plastic pick rather than sticking metallic screwdrivers into a laptop because you can damage the case. But let's dive straight in. So on the underside of the laptop, we're going to have there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips screws that we need to back off. Now they don't come out all the way. Just back those off. So there's 3 at the rear, 1 just above the battery here. The battery's there. Now in addition to those, there's 2 that you need to back off in here. Again, those don't come out. They're just slacking them off. Now, to get the case off, we need to take it off from the rear. And usually just, oh, you can't, there you go. Usually just get them with your nails. And then just pull it off, loosen it by screwdriver in slightly and or pick, turn it just to. Okay, so there's no wires connecting the base, so you're nothing to worry about there. Now we can see the batteries here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 holding it in. That's not a missing screw, that's where that screw goes in to hold the battery on. So these are not Phillips, they're like a star-shaped screwdriver, so you're going to need yourself a star-shaped screwdriver. Now these will come out all the way. So the battery's connected here, so we're going to need to loosen that as well. Gently, don't pull on the wires, just help it out by sticking a screwdriver under the sides. The battery should just release. Screw that drop. So place the other battery on top, make sure the holes line up with where the screws are going to go. Helps if your screwdriver is magnetic. Obviously not. Just put your screws back in. Now, when you're doing this, don't put a screw back in this hole. Let's say that's for the base to reattach. Then reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Again, don't pull on the wires, just use the edges of the connector. You're good to go. So, base back on. And just press the edges down so it clips in. Like so. So just make sure the case is actually clipped down. That's a battery replaced. And there you go. It is quite a straightforward process to replace the battery. Other than removing the cover, there's really not too much that you need to do to get at it. I always do these videos for my own reference and for the reference of my tech, so when they're taking laptops apart they can quickly look what's involved. So if you found this video useful, then please hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel, you never know, maybe there's something else that can pique your interest. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.